Today I will teach a social science part of history 7th standard English medium. The unit Vijayanagara Empire. So there are so many dynasties ruled from India. You know that Vijayanagara Empire was founded in 1336. Vijayanagara Empire founded in 1336 on the southern bank of Tungabhadra river of the sons of Sangama called Ariyara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa, Muddappa is also a very famous ruler in Sangama dynasty. So Hampi of Ballari district was their capital, and the national emblem like that of a bow, that means Varaha, that means Varaha. So during 1336 to 1646, 1336 to 1646 ruled from Vijayanagara Empire was you know that very famous four dynasties ruled from Vijayanagara. Once again, Sangama dynasty, Sarva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, Arabidu dynasty. The rule Tuluva dynasty, Arabidu dynasty, like that also here during the term of Sangama dynasty, 1336 to 1485. Sarva dynasty, 1485 to 1505. Tuluva dynasty 1505 to 1567. Arabidu dynasty 1570 to 1646. So although totally 1336 to 1646 ruled from Vijayanagara Empire. First one, we will catch the first one dynasty, very famous and founder of the dynasty, Sangama dynasty. Sangama dynasty during the term 1336 to 1485. Ariyara and Bukka. Ariyara 1336 to 1337 was the first king of this dynasty. Ariyara was the first king of the Sangama dynasty. He took control over the regions of Tungabhadra river. He extended empire to Konkana to coastal area. Like that also extended empire. Then next one, Nellore to Kadapa of east, and the Krishna river of north, Kaveri river of south. So like this, he had a strong foundation of his Sangama dynasty, Ariyara and Bukka. Bukkaraya, 1357 to 1377, brother of Ariyara, took over power of the because Ariyara had no son. So during the time, the Kampana expanded the empire by defeating the Sultan of Madurai, and this was explained in a book called Madura Vijayam. He collected the book like that also say Madura Vijayam, which was written by Kampana's queen Gangadevi. This one Madura Vijayam, which was written by Kampanas P. Ganga Devi. Book captured Penakonda at the moment, but strong like that also his Sangama dynasty. Then also a very famous ruler of Bukkaraya. And next one after Bukkaraya, Harihara II come to this Sangama dynasty. So next one Virupaksha second, Devaraya first, Veera Vijayaraya, and then Vijayanagara Empire ruled from Sangama dynasty. So the moment very famous ruler of the Sangama dynasty, Prouda Devaraya. So that means Devaraya first during the time 1424 to 1446. He was the famous king of Sangama dynasty. Prouda Devaraya was the famous ruler of the Sangama dynasty. Did you know? So was significant Vijayanagara dynasty. After he took the power, he built great new army at the moment of the Vijayanagara Empire. So including Muslim soldiers are including the Vijayanagara Empire that ruled from Sangama dynasty, Prouda Devaraya. So, like a very skilled person. That means skilled means archery, horse riding, horse taming. With the help of the army, it is the most prominent ruler of Prouda Devaraya, the moment of Sangama dynasty. So, next one, Ahmad Shah of Bahmani Sultans. A brave commander, very great skilled person. At the moment, like the Lakkana Gandesha defeated the kings of Kerala and Sri Lanka and collected treasure. Treasure means economy, the growth of the administrative from Prouda Devaraya. So, you built well and good army. Then, in cash from them means economy growing of this dynasty. And Prouda Devaraya was very good religious person, tolerant person, and built a very famous temple like that of the Jaina temple and Vaishnava temple, like that capital buildings. Also a mosque also a built from Prouda Devaraya. And very famous Telugu poet Srinath, Sanskrit philosopher Dindima, Kannada poet also arrived in Sangama dynasty. Lakkana Gandesha was patronized in the kingdom. Veerashaivism also received from the Sangama dynasty. So he had titles like that also here. Gaja Bentigara, the title assumed Prouda Devaraya, Gaja Bentigara. That means Chatus Samudreshwara, like that also a four side of Indians to capture the title assumed Chatur Samudreshwara. After the death 1446, Mallikarjuna come to this take this dynasty, but not brave, not good administrator. And that there were weak rulers because his commander Sarva Narasimha captured the capital. Then the rule of Sangama dynasty ended in 1485. 1485 ended the rule Sangama dynasty. Then very good point of view. Next one, Sarva dynasty. After taking over the power, 1485, Sarva Narasimha ruled for 6 years, but well and good, not developed the empire. The kingdom was in the protection of commander called Tuluva Narasanayaka from then come to this rule Sarva dynasty. And then Tuluva dynasty. Next one, there are 4 dynasty ruled from Vijayanagara. Once again, Sangama dynasty, Sarva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, Arabidu dynasty. Who is the famous ruler of Sangama dynasty? Tuduva dynasty. Who is the first started Tuduva dynasty? Veera Narasimha. Tuduva Narasanayaka started the root from Tuduva dynasty. And then after the death 1509, his brother, very famous ruler, Krishna Devaraya. Who is the famous ruler of the Tuduva dynasty? Krishna Devaraya. Krishna Devaraya, he was the famous and greatest king of the Tuduva dynasty. Other Vijayanagara, comparative Vijayanagara king, Krishna Devaraya was the able, good person of the Vijayanagara empire. At the beginning years of rule, he had faced many revolutions. So he succeeded. So like that of Sri Shivanasamudra fort from Umbattur, Chief Gangaraj, 1510. Later, he captured Raichur fort. He supported to the Portuguese, captured from the Goa from Vijayanagara. He won Udayagiri fort also. And then capital Gajapati Prataparudra, a Kalinga king. Each one person, Gajapati Prataparudra was a famous ruler of Kalinga king by defeating him. Krishna Devaraya defeating the Prataparudra and married his daughter Jaganmohini. So like that also here, the type of Vijayanagara empire, this one, east, west, south. So this is the boundary of Vijayanagara empire. Like that also there are 4 dynasties, ruled to west to east, north to south. So Sri Krishna Devaraya captured Raichur from the king Adil Shah, and later he captured and also Kalburgi, Bidar forts, and son of king was imprisoned by Bahumani prime minister. Asserted title, very good and title assumed Yavana Raja Pratishthapanacharya. Krishna Devaraya title assumed Yavana Raja Pratishthapanacharya. This is the title of Vijayanagara kingdom was expanded in all 4 directions. Like that, west to east, north to south. He extended the 4 directions Vijayanagara empire. So under 1529, Domingo Payas was visited the kingdom. Stated one statement said about the according to Domingo Payas, Krishna Devaraya was a soft person with a strong body. Strong body means well and good administrated man. Like that, socially, economically, growth of empire. So, to his book, and then very famous battle like that of Vijayanagara empire, Rakkasa Tangadi battle. So, after Krishna Devaraya, Achyutaraya, and Sadashivaraya ruled Vijayanagara. After Krishna Devaraya, Achyutaraya, and Sadashivaraya. Since Sadashivaraya was a minor and unable ruler, but not well and good developed the Vijayanagara empire. So, then Ramaraya of Aravidu dynasty. Which one dynasty? Ramarayadu, also a very good famous ruler of the responsibility of the administration. His diplomacy expanded Vijayanagara kingdom, make it rich and prosperous of the Vijayanagara empire that ruled from Aravidu dynasty. So, then sultans also attacking Vijayanagara capital. Deccan Sultan to avenge Ramaraya captured Vijayapura, Golconda, and is caught in the war Rakkasa Tangadi battle. Like that. So, all sultans unlimited, like united and themselves with jealousy of the king and added the growth, richness of Vijayanagara kingdom. At the moment all sultans attacked the Vijayanagara empire, they they had political differences between them defeat Vijayanagara they united. So on 23rd January of 1565, 1565 it is the most in history Vijayanagara Empire point of view. 1565 Rakasa Tangadi war began between the united army of Sultan. Well and good use of the army that movement of Sultan, the army of Vijayanagara on the bank of Krishna river, Dhamaraya at the moment died. So Sultan looted the Vijayanagara kingdom. Vijayanagara kingdom is very prosperous and well and good wealth of working. Run away Danakonda, Ramaraya to capture the war like that. Later Aravidu dynasty started their ruling from later Vellore and their capital at the moment. So federal chiefs of Mysore, Keladi, Chitradurga, Yelahanka, Surapura became the independent ruler in Karnataka. So like that Sangama dynasty, Sarva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty, Aravidu dynasty end of the rule and sultans capture the Vijayanagara kings like that. So that moment take it homework, dear students, take it to homework. Who is the founder of Vijayanagara kingdom? Who is the founder of Vijayanagara kingdom? One question. Second one, when did Vijayanagara founded? When did Vijayanagara founded? Name the dynasties that ruled Vijayanagara and name the famous king of the Sangama dynasty. Name the famous king of Tuluva dynasty and like that name the famous and greatest Vijayanagara kingdom. And one more question very important. When did the Rakasa Tangadi war take place? Answer the following into this question. Thank you, dear students.